start out, we're gonna raise the cargo bed, and then I'm gonna disconnect this gas strut to make everything a little bit easier to access. After that, we've got a regulator rectifier that we need to get out of the way. So there's a couple of nuts on it, and then we need to remove all the hardware out of the bracket that holds it in place. And then we have 2 electrical connectors. We'll disconnect those and move that bracket out of the way. Now, starting with the gearbox oil, that drain plug is located just behind the oil drain plug. After that, we're gonna place a drain pan underneath the rear differential. We're going to have a little Allen drain plug right there. We'll go ahead and remove it. And then we're going to clean up these drain plugs. So we're gonna wipe them off with a rag, clean up any shavings off the magnets, and we're also gonna be replacing the crush washer. And with that diff drain plug, just make sure the O-ring is in good condition. Then we're gonna clean off our sealing surfaces. We'll install the gearbox drain plug first. That's gonna be 15 foot-pounds that we torque it to. And then for the rear diff drain plug, we're gonna torque that to 24 inch-pounds. It's not a lot of torque on it, it's just a little plug, so don't over tighten it. Now, just to the left of our fill plug for the gearbox, we have our vehicle speed sensor. They're magnetized and you can get some metal shavings built up on there. So we're actually gonna remove it by taking out this bolt. We're gonna wipe it off, make sure that O-ring is in good condition. You can put it back in place. And then we've got some thread locker on this bolt, and we're gonna torque it to 89 inch-pounds. And now we can remove this plastic fill plug for the gearbox, and we're going to pour in 500 milliliters of that 75-140 gear oil. Now with that, this oil will come to the bottom of the threads where that fill plug goes into place. Make sure that your oil level is that high. Then you can reinstall the fill plug. You don't want to over tighten these, it's just plastic. If you need a torque, it's 44 inch-pounds. Next, we need to remove the fill plug for the rear differential. We're gonna clean that up and our sealing surface, and then we're gonna measure out 500 milliliters of the 75-90 gear oil. We're gonna pour that in. Again, the oil should come up to the bottom of the fill threads. Once you have the oil in, you can reinstall that fill plug and you can torque it to 146 inch-pounds. Now moving on to the front diff. In between the front axles, we have another Allen head drain bolt. We're gonna go ahead and remove it and let that oil drain. These are also magnetized, so we're gonna wipe it down. We'll also wipe down the sealing surface. I'll reinstall that and torque it to 24 inch-pounds. Next, remove the fill plug. We're going to clean that up along with the sealing surface. Then we'll pour in 400 milliliters of oil, and we're using that 75-90 gear oil. And verify the oil reaches the bottom of the fill plug threads. And then we can reinstall that fill plug. We're gonna torque it to 146 inch-pounds. With everything filled back up, we can go ahead and reinstall that regulator rectifier. We'll start with the electrical connections, then we'll reinstall all of the hardware. And that plastic rivet. After that, reattach the gas strut and close the cargo bed.